Qingte has an axle R&D team made up of more than 200 experts. Qingte has 7 world advanced automatic production lines for axles. Qingte has 5 axle production bases in Qingdao, Beijing, Chengdu, Changsha, and Weifang. In China, 1 out of 5 commercial vehicles is using Qingte axle. Qingte measures the progress with technical innovation and defines the success with productivity. Qingte axle drive the world. Qingte Group, founded in Qingdao, China in 1958, is a multi-regional, multi-industry and compositive enterprise group. Now it has become the important production base and export base of special vehicle and auto parts in China. Qingte has more than 20 years experience in manufacture of axle and has the capability to produce 750,000 axles per year with the accumulative investment of RMB 4 billion. Qingte is able to produce high-quality axles in all series for commercial vehicles, including mini type, light-duty type, medium-duty type, and heavy-duty type. Qingte establishes 5 axle production bases. One of them is Weifang Qingte Axle Company Limited. Since it was founded in 2004, this company introduces equipment, engages in technical innovation, adheres to realizing the value of the axle products with the most advanced concept, and provides various high-quality axle assemblies for light trucks and perfect service for the customers. Qingte continues to introduce advanced technology and equipment from overseas and realizes full process automatic and information-based production. Qingte Casting Limited Company is specialized in manufacture of key castings for vehicles, including casting axle housing, reducer housing, as well as large castings, including engine block, with the annual production of 100,000 tons through introducing the world's most advanced technology from Germany. Integral core is used for axle housing and automatic core is used for cylinder block. We have the leading technical level in China. The automatic pouring machine, along with the production line, is designed to realize automatic temperature measurement, stream inoculation, and pouring along with the production line. The automatic coat box core making center is designed to complete a fully automatic production ranging from core making, core picking, core assembly, dipping to drying. Qingte Gear Limited Company is the first manufacturer in China that has both Gleason and Aurelican technologies. The 2 world-top spiral bevel gear machining technology and design software providers, and uses the full closed-loop production technology. It achieves the annual output of 200,000 sets of high-end crown and pinion bevel gears. It introduces the world-top fully automatic, continuously operating double-roll furnace production line and multi-purpose furnace production line from Italy. It uses dry-type gear milling technology for automatic production with low-carbon green philosophy. To meet the processing demands of different products and to allow the performance indices to reach the high level in Europe and America. Qingte front axle beam is manufactured with precision roll forging and integral die forging composite technology. The whole production line works automatically. The quality of the product manufactured with this technology is 50% higher than that with other common technologies. For components of body, the horizontal machining center from Starrag, Hackert, Germany allows machining of 4 faces in one-time fixing so as to ensure high efficiency and high precision. With the world's advanced production technology, Qingte automatic machining line for axle housing allows automatic checking of machining procedure before the components are fed into the lathe to ensure the machining precision. The same locating datum is used throughout the machining process, so as to ensure the product quality and conformance. Qingte automatic welding line for axle housing is composed of 12 Panasonic welding robots, 3 Fanuc transferring robots, and Thompson automatic double-inch welding machine. It allows automatic welding of various types of axle housings and ensures the product stability and conformance. Qingte automatic machining line for reducer housing allows machining and inspections during all the work procedures through one-time fixing so as to reduce the machining tolerance caused by secondary fixing and ensure the product quality and conformance. Qingte assembly line for reducer is furnished with advanced MES manufacturing execution system, which enables tracking and monitoring on the production process upon storage and comparison of real-time data, so as to achieve automation and visualization of the whole production process. Qingte assembly line for axle is furnished with advanced assembly and online inspection equipment, which allows automatic conveyance, automatic painting, automatic warehousing, and paired warehouse out, so as to achieve the FIFO, first in, first out. Qingte has numbers of national technical innovation and invention patents. Qingte always keeps deep cooperation with famous scientific research institutions and institutions of higher education and engages in numerous national-level R&D projects. In 2008, it was awarded the Postdoctoral Program Scientific Research Workstation. In 2009, it was accredited as a National Certified Enterprise Technology Center. In 2012, the Center Laboratory of Qingte Group was also accredited in national level. So far, the sustainable value chain integrating high-end scientific research and talent cultivation has been established. Qingte uninterruptedly optimizes the management concept, aims at zero defect of product, and passes TS 16949, ISO 14001, OSAS 18001 system certifications based on comprehensive quality management. Qingte combines the virtual manufacturing technology with the real production and introduces TPS lean production mode to ultimately realize precision manufacture. Qingte works hard for profit integration of functionality of product with environment of application, and develops excellent, effective, and reliable innovative products to the satisfaction of the customers. It is accredited by national authority that the fatigue life of Qingte axle housing reaches 3,050,000 times, and the fatigue life of gear of axle assembly exceeds 700,000 times. Qingte Axle has built up a service network covering the whole nation, more than 20 central warehouses of components, optimized and high-efficiency storage and logistics network to meet your demand in a safe and timely manner. In the meantime, the customer service hotline 400-626-8999 is available day and night for your pre-sale, in-sale, and after-sale service. We would like to promote the added value for the customers. Qingte Axle, drive the world.